If you have issues with Hotspot not working correctly on your Samsung Galaxy S25, here's what you can do in order to try to fix these issues. So first of all, we will simply go to settings, choose connections, and then here we want to go to mobile hotspot and tethering. And let's go to mobile hotspot. The first thing that we need to look at is of course the password. Well, while it might seem obvious, just make sure that the password is correct. If you have issues with your password, you might need to simply set it to something simple. You need to use at least 8 characters, but we can use such an easy password as this one in order to make sure that we actually enter the correct password. But besides that, you might also want to switch the band. So if you have set it up to 5 GHz preferred or even 6 GHz preferred, in some cases, for some devices, this type of connection might not be available, and they might not be able to detect your hotspot. Therefore, try to drop from performance towards the compatibility to check if that helps. You don't have to go all the way to the left in order to set it up to 2.4 GHz. You can do this step by step and check every time you switch it to lower, when you lower it, to see if that helps. Remember to also save all these changes, so press save over here to apply these changes. And besides that, what you can also do is you can generate a QR code for your hotspot. So if the other device can actually scan the Wi-Fi QR code, then you can turn on your mobile hotspot, and then at the bottom you will find QR code. You can tap on it in order to generate the QR code that you can scan on the other devices. This allows you to skip the password and just simply try to connect with the QR code without having to search for the network or, like I said, provide the password. So this might be the solution as well. And last but not least, you can also check if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is actually set up properly, because you can share the internet access through mobile hotspot by using Wi-Fi. So you can share the Wi-Fi access and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, that you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi, that you are not in the airplane mode. Or if you use mobile data in order to share the internet access, then you want to go to SIM manager, make sure that SIM card is enabled, and make sure that the mobile data is enabled and the correct SIM is set up. And as the last thing that you can do in order to try to fix the hotspot issues is you can go to general management in settings, then here you can go to reset, and here you will find some of the reset options, such as the reset all settings, which might be quite helpful in your case. However, this will reset all settings like the name suggests, so you might want to do this when you have nothing else to do, when you don't have anything else that you can try to do on your phone in order to fix this issue. So as a last thing, you can use this option. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can try to fix these issues with mobile hotspot on S25. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!